Hey everybody, how are you doing? Well, it's August Sorors. Time for the Delta Box review. If you want to see what I have to say about the August Delta Box, then stay tuned. I'll see you in a few minutes. Bye, Sorors. Check it out. Hey, Sorors Hey, how y'all doing? Well, I'm here for the August review of the Delta Box. Dear Delta Box, what is you doing, baby? What is you doing? Okay, first let me premise this video with this disclaimer. I am not a Delta Box ambassador. I am a consumer, a member of the sorority, and a consumer, a purchaser of the monthly subscription box. So therefore, my review is going to be real, raw, and uncut. True, honest opinion about what's in this box. Because as a consumer, they need to hear what the consumer has to say about their product. Okay, now that I've gotten that out the way, let's get into it. First, Sorors, this is the return card. Should you want to return your purchase, or you need to change your size or something of that nature, fill this out, send it back with the item, and you do have to pay for return shipping, which is $14.99. This month's theme is fearfully and wonderfully made, inspired by Psalms 139 and 14. God is not pleased. He not pleased with these boxes and these outfits. Now they said this box is supposed to remind us of the greatness that is within us and ready to take on the world. No, ma'am, we ain't taking on the world in this outfit looking like bozo. Cause that's immediately what I thought when I put this out, when I opened up the box. Bozo vibes. That's just me. So what's in the box? In the box is a 2-piece Delta Sigma Theta Crest Viscose, however you want to pronounce it, set. So a lot of sorors are like, what is Viscose? It is a type of rayon. It's supposed to be in a luxurious type of rayon, but then it said it was inexpensive in one definition I saw. So inexpensive and luxurious, that don't go together. That's like an oxymoron to me. So it's either or, and I'm going more towards the inexpensive. When I opened my box, my outfit was damp inside the plastic. I don't know, because it was hot traveling in heat, but I'm still trying to figure out how the outfit was wet inside the packaging. And then another soror commented on my TikTok video that hers was damp too when she got it. So I literally had to let this air dry for like a day before I put it on and took some photos in it. And here's my photo in the little outfit. I don't know how I feel about it. I don't know what it is. I know I won't wear it out in public. I'm gonna use it as my going home from surgery outfit, just cause it's it's a loose type of material, and I can't wear. I have to wear something loose when I go home, so that's when I'm gonna wear it. Let's just get into it, y'all. So here's the top. It's a sleeveless button-down shirt. It has the crest in red and white. Again, nothing too wow or fantastic about it. Again, I did see where Sorors said when they tried this on, it ripped. Some said when they put on the pants and then they sat down, it ripped. So Sorors, just be careful when trying on this outfit, because the material, if it's too tight, just take it off. You don't want to risk ripping the outfit. Um, the shirt, the shirt is okay. You could wear it with other pieces, but these pants, I'm sorry. When I saw them, Bozo came to mind. And then when I looked on Facebook, I saw a lot of Sorors saying that the little bottom part with these stripes is like a different material and a different color. And I agree. It is a totally different red and a different material. I don't know what they was thinking. They just could have left this part off. This looked like they just had some stuff left over from the July box, and they said we're gonna sort on these pants and give it to them. I don't know, cause it goes more with the theme from the July box. If it was supposed to go with the July box, that would have been cute. We got the little bag, the little hat. This outfit would have been cute, and the pool floaty. But for some reason, y'all want to save it for August. But it's like a different material. And again, y'all didn't consider body types at all. Because Sorors that are short said the pants were too long. Sorors that are tall said when they put them on, the pants was too short. It was coming up their leg. So I've seen Sorors cut these pants off, cut off the stripe part, and it looked good. I've seen some just cut them all the way off and made capris out of them. Some have cut them off even further and made shorts out of them. Do you, Sorors? Do you? Whatever works best for you. Whether you're a doll, a diva, or a deer, do what works best for you when it comes to this outfit. Like I said, I seen some of them cut the little stripy part off and it looked really, really nice. I seen them cut off and made them some capris and it looked nice. Even the shorts look nice. I even heard one Soror say she was going to turn it into a skirt. More power to you. I think that'd be cute too as a skirt. Do what works best for you, Soror. But this outfit is a no-go for me. No. This is a no-go. It's just, no. I don't know if it's the material. The stripy part is just, it don't go. It don't go. It's a totally different material. It's a different shade of red. It's just not working. Dear Delta box, just stop and regroup. Well, y'all, that's all I got for the review for this month. Thank y'all for making my TikTok go viral. But I'm gonna always speak the truth about this box. I'm not gonna sugarcoat and be like, oh, it's a nice outfit and blah blah blah. No, I'm gonna give y'all the raw, uncut truth and what everybody is saying on Facebook and other places. Listen to your consumers and regroup and rethink this. Okay. All right, Sorors, that's all I got for this month. We'll have to wait, see what we're getting for September. We'll just look at the Ivory box because they get their box first. Then we'll have an idea of what we're getting. But they ain't happy either with these boxes and us getting the same outfits. Can that please stop? But anyway, I'm Joy. Welcome to my channel, Joyful and Triumphant. If you like this video, please like, comment, subscribe, and share. I have a wide variety of content here. I have inspirational messages, health videos, a little bit of everything I do. I have other subscription services that I subscribe to, mostly makeup products from Ipsy and BoxyCharm. I do those reviews monthly as well. And I do makeup reviews for mature skin, for all of us ladies 50 and over. Give a lot of tips and tricks and other things on this channel. So yeah, feel free to explore my channel. You might find something that you like. If you're looking for inspirational content, check out my Joyful Jubilations playlist. I am a licensed evangelist. That's why I'm going to always give you the truth. And so if you're looking for some encouragement in your walk with Christ, then check out my Joyful Jubilations playlist. Um, Once again, I hope you like this video. If you are a member of Delta Sigma Theta Sorority Incorporated, appreciate your support, Sorors, and subscribe and like the video and subscribe to my channel and leave me a comment or two below. A lot of y'all like, but y'all leave comments, so leave a comment or two. I'd appreciate it. Anyway, that's all I have for this month's video. Well, no, let me take that back. I got one more thing. I think the look that they were trying to go for was the Bermuda outfit look from the late 60s, early 70s. I actually found a picture of my mom in one of those outfits, and I'm gonna put it right there. I think that's the look they were trying to go for, but this outfit missed the mark totally. Yeah, that's a rare picture of my mom too in some pants, because she didn't wear pants. Yeah, so once my mama got good and safe, she didn't wear no pants no more. So these pictures that I found of her with these outfits on are quite rare, and I cherish them because she passed away in 2015. But anyway, Sorors, I think that's what these vendors was trying to go for, but they failed miserably. Because for one, this Viscose, however you want to pronounce it, material is horrible. It's mismatched and it's just not working. But anyway, yeah, that's my theory on what they was trying to do. Let's see what we're gonna get in September. Now, I already seen what the Ivy box got for September. They got a pink cardigan. We got the cardigan back in February, and in February they got a pearl embossed jean jacket. So maybe we gonna get our version of the jean jacket this month, and they gonna get, since they got the cardigan this month. I hope so, cause I kind of like that jean jacket they got. That was nicely done. But I'm not gonna hold my breath, cause if they give us a black jacket, yeah, I don't want another black jacket. I know y'all done got the memo. Red and white, Delta red and white, crimson and cream, black is an anchor. Can you just stop making all this black stuff? Just, please. All right, Sorors, I'm going for real now, because the more I talk about this box, the more frustrated I get. But anyway, I'll be back in September with another review. See y'all then, Sorors. Take care. Love you all.